Hey YouTube, this is Ochena Eugene, and today I will be showing you how to get Linux. It's not basically Linux, it's from this website called, I don't know how to pronounce it, Ubuntu, whatever. So basically you just want to Google Linux. I'm not going to be using Google Chrome for this. It's been a while since I used Mozilla Firefox, so show us what you got, Mozilla Firefox. While it's loading, I don't want to waste time, so I'm going to pause this video. So here, I'm back. It's all loaded. Basically, all you have to do is just search Linux. What you really going to need to do, or not basically do, but need to have to get Linux, you're going to need to get a CD-ROM bigger. A CD-ROM, or not a CD or DVD bigger than 700 megabytes, because Linux is pretty big. So I suggest picking up a DVD because those are the biggest. So let me just search. Oh, here it is. Next. Wow, it's really slowing us down. Then I can't use this browser. Okay, we're back. So we have this. This is our first link, Linux, and Ubuntu, whatever. This is the second link, because there's no other link rather than this. So you can get. I've been trying to get the original Linux, but you have to get this. You're gonna need to have a CD-ROM that's about bigger than 700. So like I said before, you're gonna need, if you don't have one, you can either use a USB or you can save it onto an external hard drive or an internal hard drive. It really doesn't matter. As long as you have a hard drive, you can save it too. As you can see, it says Ubuntu 10.4 LTS is here. So what you're gonna need to do is just click on download Ubuntu. It's secure, trust me, I've tried it, I've scanned the whole website. It's scanned every day by Mac Free. It used to be scanned by Linux. So, anyway, you're gonna have an option, download Ubuntu Desktop Edition. 32-bit recommended for most users because most of us have 32-bit. There's two ways to check if what you have. As you can see, I'm running Windows 7. In my last video, I didn't show you, but not my last video. A couple of videos back, I showed you the difference between 32GB. Well, this is Windows 7. The other one was Windows Vista. So there will be major differences. Not major, not that big major. So let me just pause this video so I can start. Actually, there's only one way that I know of, is just by clicking the start button and just going to computer, right-clicking computer, and going to properties. So anyways, I just want to tell you guys, if any of you have YouTube channels that have a couple videos and a lot of subscribers, this guy named, I don't know his name, but it will be in the link. He's threatening to hack a lot of YouTube channels. Like, at first he threatened to hack VV Comp Help VV, Now he's threatening to hack Tech Review, so you guys have to be careful. As you can see, this is the only way I know how to do it, is go into your system. As you can see, mine says Windows 7 Professional. How you can check. Manufacturer is Dell. My rating is 1.0 because of the graphics. I have the Intel Celeron RM processor, 1.6 gigahertz. This is actually the wrong RAM installed. I don't know why. I need to get the driver for the RAM. And you can see system type 32 gigabyte. I mean, not 32 gigabyte, but 32-bit operating system. That depends on the graphics you have. It can't handle that much. If you have, so 64-bit, not recommended for daily desktop use. If you have a laptop, this really doesn't make any difference. I did it myself. It doesn't really make a difference. You can install Linux on the Windows computers, but you cannot install Linux on the Mac. That is illegal. If you don't believe me, you can. I'm not so sure if you can or not, but Steve Jobs said you cannot install. It's against the law to install a Windows operating system onto a Mac without the consult of a Mac without consulting Mac or Apple. So let's say if I wanted to download it for my Mac Pro, I'll just click Mac. But here are the options. How to download? You have to click. I have the 32-bit, so I'll just click the 32-bit option. The destination for the ISO to go to is CD, not a USB stick, and I'm gonna be running on Windows. So that's all the options you need to. It is free, so just click Start Download, and it should say downloaded. Download has started. I already have this. So basically, what you have to do, Mozilla will come up with a pop-up saying, "I'm just gonna save." Default, you will need WinRAR. The link, you can go back to my other video on how to get WinRAR. Just because I will not be showing you. It says 2 hours 24 minutes. I don't have that kind of time, so you guys have to just download it yourself. And I will be back here after it's not done because I have it in my document, so I'll just bring it up. Okay, YouTube, once it's done, you can see it has it's in a zip. It's in a zipped file, so all you have to do, you just have to click extract here. And let it do its thing. It's loading, as you can see. Just let it do its thing. I'll be back, because it tends to load faster when it's done. Okay, here's when you need to have ISO burning. A program that can burn ISOs, like let's say alcohol 50%, alcohol 120. You can get some that's free. You can get some image burners that are free and some that you have to pay for. Like, let's just go to google.com. Let me pause this. I just switched my internet connection to make it's loading faster. So you just want to click search ISO. ISO burner, and it will give you a bunch of